LinkedIn has become the premier platform for professional networking and job hunting. This guide will help you navigate its features to find your next career opportunity. User rate. Adults who use LinkedIn for professional networking. Recruiter usage. Recruiters who use LinkedIn to vet candidates. Hiring efficiency. Companies who find LinkedIn streamlines hiring. LinkedIn offers unparalleled access to job opportunities. Its design supports every aspect of career development. Update regularly. Refresh your profile quarterly. Add new skills and accomplishments as you gain them. Detail current skills. List all relevant abilities. Be specific about technical skills and software proficiencies. Highlight experience. Emphasize recent roles. Quantify achievements with specific metrics when possible. Your profile is your digital business card. Make it count. Share your objective. Clearly state what you're seeking or offering. This helps algorithms match you with opportunities. Be specific. Include your specialty area and industry. Specificity helps you stand out from generic headlines. Show personality. Example: writer seeking businesses in need of a friendly ghost writer. Your headline appears in search results. Make those 120 characters work for you. Technical skills. Programming languages, software, tools. Soft skills. Communication, leadership, teamwork. Certifications. Industry certifications, courses completed. Languages. List all languages you speak. Aim for at least 5 skills. This improves your visibility in search results. Former colleagues. Reconnect with past co-workers to strengthen your professional circle. These connections often provide the most relevant job referrals. Industry peers. Connect with professionals in your field to stay updated on industry trends and opportunities. Join relevant conversations to increase visibility. Alumni network. School connections create instant rapport. Alumni are often willing to help fellow graduates with career opportunities. Aim for adding at least 10 new quality connections each quarter to steadily grow your professional network. Browse Jobs tab. Access LinkedIn's comprehensive job listings directly from the navigation bar. Apply filters. Narrow results by date posted, experience level, location, and industry. Save interesting positions. Bookmark jobs to review later when you have more time. LinkedIn's job board offers thousands of positions. Use filters to find relevant opportunities. Create alert. Click Create Alert after performing a job search. Customize. Set frequency, location, and job criteria. Receive notifications. Get alerts via email or the LinkedIn app. Review matches. Assess new opportunities as they arrive. Alerts save time by delivering relevant jobs directly to you. Basic keywords. Start with job titles and skills. This fundamental search approach helps narrow down initial results. People search. Find contacts at target companies. Identify potential networking connections who can help your job search. Company filters. Search by company size, industry, and growth rate. These filters help you target organizations that match your preferences. Premium features. Access additional filters with LinkedIn Premium. Unlock more powerful search capabilities to find exactly what you're looking for. Advanced search helps you find exactly what you're looking for. Use it to identify connections at desired companies. Research companies. Identify companies in your field. Check company size and culture. Review recent news and updates. Follow benefits. See job postings first. Learn about company culture. Stay updated on industry trends. Engagement strategy. Comment on company posts. Share relevant content. Connect with current employees. Following companies gives you insight into their culture and needs. This knowledge helps during interviews. Daily commitment. Spend 10+ minutes browsing your feed. Like relevant posts. Support content that resonates with you. Add thoughtful comments. Share insights that demonstrate your expertise. Regular engagement increases your visibility. The algorithm favors active users when showing profiles to recruiters. Groups connect you with professionals in your field. Join 3 to 5 relevant groups and participate weekly. Increased visibility. Profiles with this feature get 40% more recruiter views. Privacy options. Choose who can see your job-seeking status. Targeted opportunities. Specify desired roles, locations, and start dates. This feature signals your availability to recruiters. You can show it to all LinkedIn members, or only recruiters. Identify key skills. Select 5 to 10 skills that showcase your expertise. Ask colleagues. Request endorsements from those familiar with your work. Offer reciprocal endorsements. Endorse others' skills to encourage reciprocation. Request recommendations. Ask former managers or clients for written recommendations. Endorsements validate your skills. Recommendations provide social proof of your abilities. Company metrics. Review size, growth rate, and employee turnover. Culture insights. Examine posts about work environment and values. Leadership profiles. Research potential bosses and their backgrounds. Understanding company culture helps you determine fit. Research before applying to save time. Senior level. $120,000 to $170,000. Salary data helps you negotiate effectively. Know your worth before discussing compensation. Find relevant recruiters. Search for recruiters in your industry and location. Follow their activity. Engage with their posts to build familiarity. Send personalized message. Reach out with specific reference to your background. Follow up professionally. Maintain contact without being pushy. Recruiters are valuable connections. They often know about unadvertised opportunities. Update your resume. Ensure your resume is current and saved in PDF format for quick uploads. Prepare cover letter templates. Create adaptable templates that can be quickly customized for each application. Match profile to resume. Verify that your LinkedIn profile information aligns with your resume details. Complete all profile sections. Fill out all relevant LinkedIn sections for automatic application completion. Easy Apply streamlines the application process. One click can submit your profile to employers. Submit application. Apply through LinkedIn or the company website. Connect with hiring manager. Find and connect with the positions manager. Send brief message. Express continued interest after 5 to 7 days. Follow up once more. Send a final follow-up after 2 weeks. Thoughtful follow-ups show initiative. Keep messages brief and professional. Optimize your profile. Create a compelling headline, showcase skills, and keep information current. Engage actively. Build your network, participate in groups, and interact with industry content. Use search tools. Leverage job alerts, advanced search, and company research features. Follow through. Apply consistently, Follow up professionally and maintain your network. LinkedIn job searching is about more than clicking apply. Build relationships and showcase your expertise.